It's cool. It is nice. It's so small and it's magnetic one. Hello everyone, welcome on Frogtactics. We have another light, Sofirn SE1 micro lights. Here we go, I've got these lights for the review again for you. This how it's come to me. It's been quick unboxing, and this is how to come to me, and this is how it looks like. We can see the box, 300 lumens, 78 meter beam, 76 meter beam, quick release clip module, 20 gram weight. Yeah, it's very light, nothing else. Some QR code and lamp is over here, and also you can see some specification over here. Yeah, of course, it's IPX5, which 1.5 meter you can drop out. I will not test this because probably it looks so nice, but it's model SE1 20 gram. Of course, this is Sofirn. Have a look how it looks inside. Okay, as you can see, it's read me first. That always from this Sofirn brand. Always read me first. I'm not on the school, I don't wanna read this, but yeah, I need to read me. Read me or read me? Read me. I need that. Read me. Read me. Okay, read me. Not flashlight cam lock by default. Please press free to unlock before use. Press free to lock it out after use. Okay, free. You mean the free seconds or free whatever? Don't worry ever. Please remove the protection film before the use as well. Okay, let's go have a look. Okay. USB-C. Ring. Hands clip. Wow. Magnetic clip. And where is the light? Where is the light? No lights, no lights. It's over here. It's over here. Wow. 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 That's really nice and cool. Okay. Wow. How to use this button? Okay. Standard Sofirn lights. Hold the button, change the intensity of the light. There are 4 modes and starts flashing as well. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, this light's over here as well. Where is the button? Okay. I don't know how to use this. Just have a look on the manuals. We have a manuals over here. lights is absolutely amazing. Look at that. It's I'm not sure if you can see that, but this on the top is RGB. It's absolutely nice RGB lights. Okay, that's interesting. But how to switch on this lights for different mode? Here's a manual, and we need this. Okay, touch button, RGB power indicator. Oh, touch C. Fully charged. Okay. Solid green. Okay, the charging. Press operation. Press 3 times and hold to unlock. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Figure out. Press 1 light. Okay, that's 1. Press twice. UV lights. Okay, press twice. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2 is UV lights, and whatever. Press and hold 1 times. Okay, and that's it. That's it. But what we have, we got this, and as you can see, it's magnetic, and it's really, it's really cool. You can now clip where you want. Okay, cable and this. Okay, I like these lights. Not bad. Just go and test it. Okay, like I said, this light is so small. It's so nice, and finally it's dark as well in my studio. And like you can see, it's really nice. Right. That's the 3 different, or actually 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 different type of lights. And it is magnetic, and my monitor is also magnetic stand. Magnetic one, yeah. Let me just that. Okay, my lights on my desk if I want. It's magnetic, and it's very nice lights. Also we have also the UV lights over here. How clean is my desk? Look. Okay. It's actually, like I said, everything between my desk is pretty nice. That's nothing. It's there. It's like spot on the mouse, but even this, it's over there. And actually, I can show you later. Another dude. Yeah. But what about chair? You see how clean is my studio? Tell me what I think about this. Even the keyboard is dusty. Dusty, but not bad. Okay. That's the light. This is the magnetic use. Over here, and over there, and over there, and over there as well. But here, as you can see, a snap somewhere, which is easy. Yeah, I really like it, especially then on the strap mounted on the bike. And I have a bike lights as well. Really nice, very nice product. Just check the description for more information about this product. There will be a link. If you want, just click on it. I have nothing to do with that, and I just put it because I just want to I just want to let you know where can I find it. Yeah, exactly. That you can find that. Okay, click like, subscribe, and stay for the more video like this, maybe from another light. I don't know, but this one is nice. Oh, one things I finally find it how to swap that RGB. Just hold it, the push it, hold it, and left it where you want. It's really nice looking stuff. Click like, subscribe.